Hey, welcome to the show. Take a look at this digital luggage scale. It has auto on and off, an overload indicator, a low battery indicator, a temperature sensor, and an accurate sensor. Let's take a little closer look at this. This really feels nice, a nice solid construction right here. I love that. Right now it's telling the temperature, so let's take a look at the different units. This is in Celsius, we have Fahrenheit, we have kilograms, and we have pounds. When you're ready to weigh your luggage, all you have to do, there's a little clip right here, and you can either clip this on the luggage or wrap it around your handle, and then you take this part of the clip, put it on around the triangle there, and then you will weigh your luggage. So right now I'm pulling it down. I am at about around 5 pounds and 5 pounds and a half, 5.5 pounds there. So this is really great. This is very useful. For instance, if you're going to be going on trips or vacation, and then you're going to be returning, maybe with some gifts, you can easily, weigh your luggage so you don't go over. It fits in the pocket of your luggage, so it's small, compact, and very sturdy. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. I hope you have a great day out there. We'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.